In this video, we will learn how we can use AI website builder to create our own website. It's very easy and simple. So let's get started. First of all, you need to visit the following website called chatgpt.com. Once you open this website, make sure to enter this prompt, like write a prompt for AI website builder to build a simple website for a car wash business with business name Speedo Wash. I will place this prompt in the description. You can customize it according to your needs. Once you're done, it will give you a precise prompt which you can use in AI website builder to generate your website within seconds. So it's just pop us a prompt. Now we copy it. Now you need to visit the following AI website builder, which is blackbox.ai. Now you need to paste that prompt and hit send message. It will now begin to write the code for your website. Basically, it's creating a static page for your website, which is HTML. We will ask it to make 3 files which are as follow: HTML, CSS, and JS, which will make it easy for us to maintain and update our static website. So within seconds, it generated those 3 files. Now you can see the 3 files are ready. You can download it by clicking the download arrow. Now we have these 3 files ready. We will rename them. The CSS file should be renamed as styles.css. The HTML file should be renamed as index.html, while the file that ends with JS should be renamed as scripts.js. Remember, these file names expect index.html, like scripts.js, styles.css. So you need to open the index file in code editor to view and confirm the exact names of style and script file so that it works properly. Now we will move forward and open this index in our browser, which is Google Chrome. You can see the website is ready and looks very nice. It's just a static website, which means the content will not be updated, but we can modify the content. To modify, you need to open the index.html file in the code editor. So we will open this file in a code editor. You can download any code editor online. You can see this is our website title, which is Speedo Wash. You can update it as you wish. Similarly, we can update all the content you can find in these code tags. Make sure to not disturb the tags. Just update the text or image link inside. Like you can see, these are the icons already available on our website. You can simply cut and replace with your desired icons. In this way, you can update this file. Similarly, if we go into our script.js file, and if we go into style.css file, we can update many parts. Like in this CSS, we can find the logo styling, nav link styling, and even hero section image link. We will remove this image link for the demonstration purpose and save the file. Once saved, we will reopen our index file. You can see the image has been removed from the header. Now we will make it back and just save the file. Again, you can see the image is back. So you can use any image link from online or from your local storage. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe our channel.